Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for the last sign Libra, like of our series, the last sign of our series, and then it's going to end here. We are going to start with October reading. I can't do bonus readings this month because I have already done all the readings so late. I had my personal reasons for that. So yeah, anyways, let's start with Libra. Let's see how the month of September, like the rest of the days, are going to be for Libra in their love life. I'm not going to include general reading. I will just start off with love reading because I have very less time. So let's see what we have for Libra in the month of September. What we have for Libra. First is the Magician card. Starting off with the Magician card, the Gemini energy. Okay, the next is the Princess of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. I hope you are able to see the cards. What more do we have for Libra? Okay, the next card is Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. What more do we have for Libra? Nine of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. And the last is the Devil. You might be dealing with a Capricorn. Okay. So, Libra, I told you the signs. Someone is manifesting you, or you are manifesting someone back into your life. Someone from the past, someone who is very like you were addicted to this person, you were obsessed with this person, or maybe you both were addicted to each other. This relationship seems to be very addictive. Like you both are quite addicted to each other. You both always want each other in each other's life. There is a strong pull towards each other. There is a strong magnetic pull you feel towards this person. You have like soul ties with this person. You can't get away. Like you can't leave this person, and you are manifesting that person back into your life. There is a lot of passion. There is a lot of see, what I see here is Libra, you are dealing with someone who hurts you, who fights with you, who argues with you, who is protective, obsessive, possessive, I don't know what else, but still there is a deep, intense love you both feel for each other. You both can't fall off away from each other. You both are deeply in love with each other, Libra. Yeah, I also see both of you are wanting to take action, and you both are going to take action, or you both have already took action for each other. I think many of you have started talking with the person like in the start of September. What I see here is you both are being very expressive. Yeah, there is arguments. Yeah, there is disappointment. You feel as if it's very difficult to deal with this person, but you can't get away. You just can't shake this feeling off. You can't shake this feeling off. You love this person to the moon and back, and you are quite addicted to this person. You love talking to this person. You love meeting this person. You have to have this person's presence in your life. So that is why you go back towards this person, and this is very bad. This is codependency. This is not love. You don't need to be codependent on anyone. You need to be very happy even if they are not there with you. Okay, this is going like in a very negative direction. I am seeing your person will be being more expressive towards you. They will express how they feel. They will be very motherly. Like you will feel these motherly vibes from your person. They will be very extra caring, extra protective towards you. It might hurt you. You might feel as if this person doesn't trust you. Yeah, you might even feel this person is very much possessive and controlling of your life. But someone is manifesting you. Someone wants back. Someone wants you very bad. Someone wants you very bad. Yeah. Many of you are into this karmic cycle with this person. This hurt doesn't end. Yeah. Quite possible in the month of September there are going to be harsh words exchanged. There are going to be arguments. But still this person won't let you. They won't let you go. They just want you by themselves. They just want you in their life. By hook or by crook, they want you. And this is not healthy. I'm seeing this person is being very controlling, very, very manipulating. They just want to hurt you and keep you. Yeah? What more do we have? See, we have Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I'm also seeing this person sees you as their treasure. They see you as their property, and this is not a good relationship to be in. I'm seeing you have to reanalyze of what kind of person you are being in love with. Is this a healthy relationship, or is this going through a very toxic phase? Is this person being overly protective, obsessive over you? Then this relationship is not something. See, they see you as someone like a pentacle. They see you as someone whom they like a trophy. This is not a good relationship to be in. I think you need to break free of this relationship. I don't feel you need to be in this relationship. This is purely codependency. This is not love. They're going to offer you something. Yeah, it might come off as an emotional offer. You might connect well to this offer, or you even might be expecting this offer because you are codependent on this person. You two are obsessive about this person. What more do we have? Yeah, this is going to give you heartbreak. This is going to give you. Please don't indulge into an offer that is coming out of passion, just passion, lust, trying to own you, trying to own your life. What more do we have? This relationship is toxic. Libra, you're dealing with a toxic person. See, 10 of Swords. I'm seeing there will be harsh endings in the month of September. You need to reanalyze. You need to realize that this person is not something you would keep in the long run. Yeah, it might feel very difficult. Like if someone tells you to leave something that you really love, something that you are really addicted to, would you that easily leave that thing for because someone is saying that to you? So that is the case here. I would tell you 100 times and 1,000 times because I am seeing this here. But it's upon you. You need to realize that this relationship is very toxic. It's going to end very painfully. These are painful endings. Okay, let's see what advice do we have for you. Temptation, I told you. You are just tempted to this person. This person is your temptation. Avoid this temptation. Temptations are never good. If it's about a bad thing, it's a bad habit, it's a bad person, temptations are never good. You need to realize what is the difference between love and codependency. Okay? See pure intention. You need to set your intentions, and that needs to be very pure. I think you're manifesting something that is not good for you. You're manifesting a relationship that's not good for you. Please keep your intentions pure. Okay? So yeah, let's see what advice do we have for you from the handwritten advices. What advice do we have for Libra? What advice do we have for Libra? Voice, you might be missing this person's voice, or they might be missing your voice. What more do we have for Libra? Okay, the next is promotion. You're going to get promoted in the month of September, or you're going to get considered. Okay, gifts, you might be receiving gifts. I told you they are coming up with something, an emotional offer. They might do things that you really love. Okay, family issues. You might be dealing with people in your life that are creating mess in your love life, or maybe you are in a married situation where family is the main issue. Ego clashes, I told you, you both are on the same level. That is why you are not getting rid of this person. Okay, what more do we have? What more do we have for Libra? Oh my God, not these many. What more do we have for Libra? Okay, reconciliation. I told you many of you are going to get back with the person. Yeah, so this was it for Libra. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.